it's Max McCowan, and I was a exchange of the Early Career Exchange Program. It's one of the great benefits of IPPS, and I am in the southern region, based in Alabama, and I went to England last year.
My name's Josh Taylor, and I'm from Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, and I was the Australian delegate to go exchange to South Africa last year. It's one of the best things about IPPS, and I owe my career to them, so that's why it's the best.
I'm Preston Sherwood. I'm from Charleston, South Carolina, and I just was in Vancouver last month for our program, our Southern exchange to Western, and it was just fantastic to get to see the plant diversity and the way that other people are growing.
My name's Tegan Young. I'm from the University of Florida. I went over to Denmark and Sweden 2 years ago, and I love the connection between the different continents.
I'm Svea Zifkin. I'm from Germany. I'm part of the European IPPS. I went last year to the conference in England and London, and now I'm here for the exchange in the southern region.